and brightest object on our earthly sky. Due to its low orbit, Venus is hardly visible during nighttime and is therefore known as the evening star. Sometimes it's bright enough to be visible to the human eye during daytime. The reason we're able to see Venus this clearly is due to its dense and light-reflecting atmosphere, combined with its close proximity to Earth. In fact, Venus is not only positioned close to Earth, it also bears similarities with a number of key physical properties, to the degree to which the two planets are often referred to as sister planets. Venus has approximately the same size, density, and mass as Earth. Likewise, the gravitational force is close to 90%. In spite of these resemblances, there are major differences. The atmosphere is so dense that it completely shields the surface from our visual field. Good thing we can always rely on radar and infrared cameras. So let's take a closer look at Venus's surface. The average surface temperature on Venus is 867 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes Venus the hottest Earth-like planet in our solar system. The first Russian probes to arrive here in the second half of the 20th century were literally crushed by atmospheric pressure. Venus has a surface air pressure equaling the pressures found at 4,000 feet below sea level in Earth's oceans. Luckily, our nomads are much more durable. Looking around down here, it seems perfectly fair to agree with claims that downtown Venus resembles popular depictions of hell. Sulfuric clouds, acid rain, and active volcanoes are all on the list of local attractions, alongside dimly red glowing surfaces littered with craters. And with the aid of radar image systems, we were able to investigate the local topography. Logically enough, there's no water on the surface because of the high temperatures. That doesn't prevent us from geologically distinguishing between high and lowlands. The two highest plains could be described as the continents of Venus. The one we see here carries the name Ishtar Terra and is placed in the northern parts of Venus. The area is about the size of Australia and is home to the Maxwell Mountains, among others. Its peaks reach over 6 miles, similar to the Himalaya Mountains back on Earth. The other continental formation is named Aphrodite Terra and covers an area the size of South America. It runs across the equator, shaped in a formation that looks like the outline of a scorpion. This land of Aphrodite consists of 3 bulged formations called Ovda, Thetis, and Atla Regio. The Atla Regio is divided by gigantic trenches. These steep-walled valleys, or chasmas, look similar to the canyons of North America. Atla Regio is adorned with huge volcanoes. Among them is Mat Mons, a giant of 5 miles towering over the other Venusian volcanoes. In total, there are over 50,000 of them. It's not surprising that the whole surface area of Venus is composed of shapes made of solidified lava. Among them are some rather strange-looking specimens, like these circular pressure domes, suitably called pancakes. Other distinctive features of Venus are lava channels of incredible length. They have an average width and depth of 1 mile and run for thousands and thousands of miles. The longest one, called Hilder Fossa, is some 4,200 miles long, outcompeting the reach of the Nile, Earth's longest river. Another feature of Venus, or more accurately, lack of feature, is the absence of a moon. Standing on Venus's surface, you wouldn't have been able to see a moon anyway, because of the thick atmosphere. These thick layers of clouds not only obscure our visual field, but may well hide Venus's biggest secret. Some scientists claim that it's plausible that microorganisms inhabit these clouds. Well, to be honest, using Nomad's advanced sensors, I could easily reveal the truth about whether or not microorganisms live here.